Hello guys, I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Civil Engineering General Knowledge. Guys, if you are new viewer, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, share, comments for more updates. Let's jump on it. Guys, in this session I'm explaining about the AutoCAD, the complete entire AutoCAD questions asked, much on the interview questions and written test, all about AutoCAD introduction, comprehensive from A to Z on AutoCAD software. Please watch this video up to the end. You will learn much about AutoCAD. Guys, these are some MCQs, multiple choice question, and also descriptive questions. We'll learn one by one everything. Guys, this is a very important topic. Even I was working in the company. I was CAD draftsman. Before I hired this company, I faced interview questions and written test. The same question I come across on the exam, but fortunately I answered correctly. But these questions I'm recommending, guys, very much important for a civil engineer or CAD draftsman to know about these things. Guys, it's architecture engineers, for this softwares, AutoCAD. Those who knowing this AutoCAD or working with AutoCAD, this software is a very comprehensive software in civil engineering, construction industry, architecture. Those are just professionally know this AutoCAD. This is much valuable that all across the world. This is the basic software. We can draw 2D dimensional and 3D dimensional objects on this. Very much important and wide range of application has in construction industry. Let's start one by one. Guys, these are some informative question. AutoCAD. First question: AutoCAD was developed by, these are four options. The correct answer is Autodesk Inc. The AutoCAD is developed by Autodesk Inc. Second question, guys: AutoCAD was first released in December 1982, now 2021, but this invented or released this software in 1982 December. Third, how many workspaces are available in AutoCAD? Guys, option B, 3 workspaces available in AutoCAD. Fourth, which of the following workspace available in AutoCAD? Which of the following workspace available in AutoCAD? Guys, with just previous question, we ask same question, 3 workspace: 3D basic, 3D modeling, and drafting and annotations. Sorry, these 3 workspaces available in AutoCAD: 3D basics, 3D modeling, and drafting and annotations. Guys, next questions: which is the latest version of the AutoCAD? 2021, because this year is 2021. This is the recent and the latest version of AutoCAD is 2021. Which of the following is extension for AutoCAD drawing file? Guys, this is the very much important question. For AutoCAD extension drawing file is DWG. Guys, this is very much important, guys, believe me. DWG is the extension file. I hope you all this knowing these things, but I'm just emphasizing some important questions. How many units are available in AutoCAD? Guys, 5 units are available in AutoCAD. You should remember 5 units. Which key is used to obtain properties palette in AutoCAD? Which key is used to obtain properties palette in AutoCAD? Guys, Control+1 is the right answer. Next question, the scale command can be accessed easily by typing SC command, scale command, scale SC. Guys, which of the following is widely used to measure flat variability? FFMI, right answer. To obtain parallel line, concentric circles and parallel curves is used offset. We used offset to obtain parallel line, concentric circles, parallel curves. Guys, this is very much important. Which of the following not keyboard shortcut of AutoCAD? Alt+B is not keyboard shortcut in AutoCAD. Which of the following is not keyboard shortcut of AutoCAD? Alt+B is not. The objects should be selected by cross window selection method. Guys, the right answer. The objects should be selected by cross window selection for the stretching any object in AutoCAD. What are the advantages of AutoCAD? All of the above. Guys, improve the quality of design, increase the productivity of the designer, create drawing with the accuracy and quickly. These are by which of the following command you can draw rectangle in AutoCAD? REC is the rectangle short form. Which of the following commands in the AutoCAD is used to create multiple viewports? The layout. Viewports, the right answer. Viewports is the right answer. Guys, next question. F3 key automatically activates the OSnap feature of AutoCAD. F3 key automatically activates the OSnap feature of AutoCAD. Which of the following command will allow us to use dynamic input command of this software? F12 is the dynamic input command. Which of the following state grid is used to design respective? Isometric is the right answer. Which of the following states grid is used to design perspective? Isometric. What does AutoCAD stands for? Guys, this is a very much important question. Guys, this is AutoCAD. This is the short form. This is the long form of AutoCAD. Automatical computer aided design. Automatical computer aided design. Guys, this was a short introduction. Guys, next part, sample size MCQs, graphic and AutoCAD. Guys, you see this types of questions and this figures. What is the common angle of this projection for the isometric view? Third angle. This shape, this view is third angle projection. Name the AutoCAD toolbar where the find a hidden line type. Objective properties toolbar. Objective properties toolbar. Right answer. Name the orthographic projection for the isometric view of C. This. RH in elevation. Right answer. What types of drawing is it? This is isometric, not orthographic, not isobaric. No, the right answer is isometric. In which bar do you find the snap and greet icon? Status bar. AutoCAD draw toolbar. This shape symbol is used for polygon. This is the symbol for polygon, guys. What does the AutoCAD icon represent? This is polyline. This is the polyline icon. Identify the following symbol found in modified toolbar. This is offset. This is symbol is offset. In AutoCAD, a circle can be drawn by the following command. All of the above: center radius, center diameter, 2 points. In AutoCAD, object snap is used to pick accurately end point, midpoint, nearest point. Right answer. Name the orthographic projection view. This is a plan. A is a plan, guys. A shape A is a plan. What type of drawing is it? It is isometric. This shape is isometric, guys. In the adjacent figure, the front width and height view dimensions are 80 plus 80 40, 80 40, 80 and front 40. In which bar do you find the ortho and U snap icon? Status bar. AutoCAD draw toolbar symbol is used for command array. This symbol is for array. What does the AutoCAD icon represent? This icon, what is this? This is rotate, guys. See, the symbol is rotate. In AutoCAD, an arc can be drawn by the following command: 3 points, start in direction, start in radius. Arc for these 3 methods above, all of the above. In AutoCAD, ortho command is used to draw perpendicular. Ortho is used for perpendicular. Ortho means 90 degree, perpendicular, 90 degrees. What does the AutoCAD symbol represent? This represents chamfer, guys. This symbol is a chamfer. Guys, believe me, these are the very much important question. Just watch this video till end. You will get a lot of benefits. I just faced this types of question, this MCQs in exam. Too much tricky question. We have to know as a civil engineer these questions, guys. In AutoCAD, command is used to round the corner of the rectangle is a fillet. Much important question. In AutoCAD, the most common used coordinate system are direct, distance, polar, relative. These are 3 coordinate system in AutoCAD. Orthographic drawing refers to 2D, two-dimensional representation of an object in a view that shows only one side at a time. In a third angle projection, top view of the isometric drawing is projected on a plane top. In AutoCAD, a polyline can be drawn by a draw toolbar. Right answer. Name the orthographic projection view B shown in the adjacent figure. Views B is shown in the adjacent. This is a front view of this. This is the front view. In which AutoCAD toolbar can use to find a grid and a snap icon? The status bar is right answer, guys. AutoCAD modified toolbar symbol is used to command. What is this? Is move symbol, guys. As just very simple and short, this is a move symbol. The chamfer command is used to cut the corner of an object at 45 degrees rectangle, guys. Right answer is rectangle. Refer the adjacent isometric view and answer the question 22 to 30. Right answer is 28. Right answer is 20 in this question. A. B. Guys, in B section, answer is 28. In A, it is 20. How many hidden circles from front view? Front view, how many hidden circles? 2, guys. 2 hidden circles in front view. An arc can be drawn by 3 points: start, end, radius, start, end, direction. All of the above is the right answer. In AutoCAD, a circle can be drawn by a 3 points: center, diameter, center, radius. Guys, identify the following symbols found in a modified toolbar. Guys, this is the extend. This symbol is the extend symbol in AutoCAD. Guys, next part, MCQs, multiple choice question in AutoCAD software. If the scheme that stores will be opened in AutoCAD 2006, then you must save it in AutoCAD 2004 DWG. This is the right answer. Next, what is the minimum allowable number of layers in a drawing? 1 layer, guys. Right answer. When in absolute Cartesian coordinates have a points A 10.8 and B 6.5, then make a line A B relative polar coordinates will write 5 less than 216.88. Right answer. Guys, next question. When drawing in 2D, what axis do you not work with? Z. When in a 2D, we just deal with X and Y, guys, not Z. The right answer is not dealing with Z. If I want to draw a line in a direction of 0.7 to ratio is 30 local time, I will give an angle of minus 135 degree, guys. Right answer. Guys, what is the usefulness of the viewports? Allows us to see a screen or on paper different view of the same project. Guys, believe me, this AutoCAD is very much useful softwares. Guys, just a year before, there's some job announcement in Canada. I just found the link in a website. There's some online MCQs, multiple choice questions for a AutoCAD design engineer, CAD draftsman. The same types of questions appeared, and for some time limitation, just for say for example 10 minutes, around 25 number of question in a section wise given. I just answered the questions, the same types of question, guys, I faced. These are I found this very useful questions. Please just watch till ends, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Civil Engineering General Knowledge. Please subscribe, press the bell icon, share with your friends, like it and comment, guys. Next question. Polar coordinate are used mostly for the drawing angular lines. Polar coordinates are used for the angular lines. When to fix a block attribute before you fix the block? It's the right answer. What is the common use for the plageostomy angle chamfer? print the entire project, you will choose the rectangle, choose to regulate what to plot. Limit is used for plotting. Guys, next question, which of the following file extension cannot open the AutoCAD? DWG open the AutoCAD, DXF opens the AutoCAD, DSWS open, but DOT dot not. The right answer is DOT. Which of the following is not a property of an object? Measure is not a property of an object. Which state grade is used to design perspective? Isometric is used, guys. Next, what is the difference between the scale command from the command zoom? Right answer is each scale changes the size of objects, while the zoom changes the visibility of the project. Right answer. Next question, guys. Print scale 1 to 50 means what? A 3 centimeter corresponds to half a meter. 1 to 50 means in a scale a 3 centimeter corresponds to a half meter. The primary difference between the module tab and the layout tab is the model tab is where you create the drawing, and the layout tab represents the sheet that you will plot to print on. Guys, this is very much important question, guys, the difference between the module and layout. When should I use the block editor to fix the dynamic block? Which command convert the distance object in a polyline? Join. Guys, what you cannot create from a command offset? Vertical straight. Right answer. Next question, guys, what does the command W block guys, the next section, AutoCAD multiple choice question. You should hide command on the new 3D house plan to see how the design look, but find that all of the interior room labels are showing throughout your opaque walls running the 3D offset. What can you do with the text object to fix it? Guys, the answer A, assign to thickness of 0.20001 inch to all text. Which of the following AutoCAD object cannot have a 3D Z thickness property applied to do? M-text is the right answer. M-text. Next question, you want to draw an octagon shaped window on a vertical wall face in your 3D house plan. Which UCS command option is best suited to place your user coordinate system on this front wall face to ensure the window is placed flat on this wall? 3 point is the right answer, guys. Which AutoCAD command will determine precisely the volume of a complex or a simple 3D solid part? Mass prop. this command, mass prop. The purpose of the UC icon command is to permit user to control the placement of appearance of the icon to help you understand your orientation in XYZ. The purpose of UC's icon was this. The primary purpose of UC is user coordinate system. UCS means user coordinate system is allows to use defined place to put icon. Right answer. To determine if two parts 3D solids will fit together without any interference, what 3D AutoCAD command you would use? Interfere. Right answer. What is the volume of the cone with a 12 feet radius and 12 feet height? 3.126, 915.13 cubic inch. Right answer. The next question. You apply a property called thickness to a standard AutoCAD circle. What type of AutoCAD object do you know have to officially? A surface model polygon mesh is right answer. Which of these objects will only draw flat on the current XY working plane and not allow 3D coordinate input? Z input. Check all the apply. Answer is do not, circle and polyline is the right answer. Next question, guys. You have just created an interesting new round object by using to resolve a complex curve around an axis. However, if you find there is only 6 faces around a perimeter, leaving it very true looking, what variable do you change to correct this? Set surf tab 1 to 1 suffix 8. The axis used to show the depth in this AutoCAD is Z axis. This is not in the 2D, this is in the 3D. Z shows the depth or height. Next question, guys. The right hand rule is used to determine the direction of positive Z axis. Right answer. All of the axes in the 3D, the coordinate system meet and 90-degree angle. Right answer. In AutoCAD, all objects are drawn on the XY plane, but in 2D XY, but in 3D XYZ. The right answer is XY in this question. The UC's command returns to the world coordinate system. To allow you to view 3D from different points of view, AutoCAD provide 10 predefined 3D view. Right answer. The view command does all of the following except display the view toolbar is the right answer. To view model from any position in 3D space, use 3 Torbit command. Right answer. Next question, guys. Question number 21. The view option of the usage command is align to new usage parallel to the screen. Right answer. A wireframe model of the titanium block would most closely resemble to block shape wire basket. Right answer. Wireframe drawing can be used to determine a special relationship between objects. Right answer is D. If you were on one side of a wireframe cube looking towards the solid sphere on the other side of the cube, you would see the solid sphere and a wireframe because the wireframe has no side. Right answer. AutoCAD objective types of question with answer. These are next section. To edit wireframe model, use grip. Very important question, guys. To edit wireframe model, use grip. A wireframe model is created using 2D objects such as point, line, and circle. One disadvantage of using wireframe as opposed to surface or solid model is that they can be difficult to understand because they are stick figures. The main difference between creating wireframe models and creating 2D object is to wireframe geometry is created using X, Y, and Z. Right answer. To avoid surprises, then when you create wireframe model, it is good idea to specify coordinates using the absolute techniques. Compare with the surface and solid model, wireframe model take about the same amount of time to create. Right answer. Surface model are considered to be more advanced than the wireframe model because they have a surface or surfaces. Next questions, guys. 33. An analytic surfaces on that are described by an equation or set of equations. Right answer. Surface model are used mostly in modeling complex curves in the boot hulls and car fenders. 35. Question number 35. The number of the segments in a tabular surface is controlled by a surftab1 system variable. 36. A full-fill surface is as an basic 3D object that can be used create more advanced models. Right answer. All of the following are surface primitives except sphere. Spiral is right answer. To create an approximation of a cones patch in AutoCAD, use hsurf command. Right answer is D. Solid models are used for more frequently than the surface model or wireframe because they allow you to calculate mass properties. D is the right answer. The disadvantage of solid created using the pure primitive instancing is that they must be converted to another type of solid before they can be edited. 45. By default, AutoCAD displays an kind of models in wireframe format to find which of the solid a specific model is used to list command. List command is right answer. A special occupancy enumeration is rarely used in AutoCAD application because it is require a large amount of memory. 46. To store a display modeling information, AutoCAD uses B option, boundary, representation, and sweeping. 47. All of the following are example of solid primitive except dome. Right answer is dome. Option C. The isolines system variable specifies the number of the contour line that define a solid model. 49. All of the following objects can be extruded except arc. Arc is not extrudable. To create the revolve solid, use revolve command. Next section is the toolbar at top of a AutoCAD 2007 window is answer standard toolbar. The design center palette can be opened from a standard toolbar. Right answer. Press the F9 key of the keyboard switches snap on or off. In the coordinate system of the AutoCAD 2007, positive X figures are to the right. Right answer. Drawing template are held in the file with the file extension of DWT. Right answer. A left circle on the name in a drop down menu shown 3 dots appearing after the menu name menu that a dialog will appear on a screen. AutoCAD 2007 can be opened with a left click on a AutoCAD 2007 shortcut icon in the window desktop is the right answer. Guys, next question. AutoCAD 2007 can be opened with a left click on the AutoCAD 2007 shortcut icon on the window desktop. The term dragging means what? Holding down the left hand button of the mouse on an items can be moved to another point or screen. This is simple and important questions. An arrow appearing after a name or drop down menu means that a sub menu will appear. Right answer. Next question. A tool tip is the tool name appearing in a rectangle when a cursor is placed on a tool icon. To call the line tool from the command line, the following abbreviation can be entered. 1. The right answer is I, option C. When the F6 key of the keyboard, press the following facility toggle on or off. Ducks. Next, the key F9 toggle on or off what? Snap. Guys, these are the very much important question, MCQs, multiple choice question, so many times asked in the MCQs or some online job website. When entering absolute coordinate numbers at the command line, the coordinates are preceded by a tree, but there is no need to enter anything in front of the coordinate number. Right answer. The command line abbreviation for the circle is C, guys. First letter of the circle. It's very simple. What order of difference between the outline drawn using a line tool and those drawn using the polyline? Outlines from the line tool from separate object. Those from the polyline tools from single object. An arc tools can be called by entering the following abbreviation command. The abbreviation or for short form of the arc is A. The first letters it extracted from first letters. Is easy for circle C, for arc A. The set variable ellipse can be set to enter 0 to 1 when it allows the following action. When set to 1, the edit polyline tool to be used on ellipse. P ellipse. This is P ellipse, variable P ellipse. Set 0 to 1. B option is the right answer. When saving the AutoCAD 2007 drawing is filed with extension DWG, very much important and easy question. The dynamic input system can be toggled on off by pressing which key of the keyboard? F12 is the dynamic input. Guys, important question. What is the function of entering command line in the keyboard? It brings back the command palette when it has been hidden. The polyline edit tool can only be used when working with the polylines. It's a false statement. What is the purpose of set variable mere text? To ensure that text mirrored correctly, to enable text to be mirrored with a drawing when the mirror tool is used. A and B is the right answer. When using rotate tool on, the angle of rotation is following direction, anti-clockwise. Right answer. When using the stretch tool, the tool has no effect upon circle. Right answer. When using a break tool on the circle or arc, the breaks can only be made in the anti-clockwise direction. C option is correct. The join tool can be used to join only arc or lines in the line with each other. In the dimensioning from the command line, that do the following abbreviation means. HOR means horizontal, VER means vertical, INT means intersect, PER means perpendicular. This is a full form and short form. Guys, an aligned dimension is one which is aligned to the previous dimension, is in line with the object being dimensioned. There are two types of font which can be used when adding text to drawings in AutoCAD 2007. Name them: AutoCAD, SHX, and Window TrueType. Question number 4. The style name of the text refers to the font in use. Right answer. The difference between the single line text and multiple text line is single line text entered directly at the command line. Multiple text must be entered in a window. This is the difference. In the first angle orthographic projection, an end view is viewed from the one side and placed on the other side of the front view. Right answer. In the third angle orthographic projection, plan is placed either above or below the front view, depending upon whether the viewing is in front, above, or below. Isometric drawing is a 2D, two-dimensional pictorial view of the project. Question number 4. If a layer is locked, details can be added to a locked layer. Right answer. When a layer is turned off, details on the layers cannot be seen. Logic question, right? The option is right. Associative hatching is a term given to hatching which is associated with objects which are moved within a hatched area. A hatch and a gradient dialog can be called to screen by any of the choice given to A, B, C. These three. When hatching sectional view in the engineering drawing, a bolt within a sectional view is not hatched. When advanced hatching is set to normal, all parts of drawing will be hatched. This is false, this statement. When text is entered in a hatched area, a text will be surrounded by a non-hatched area. Only for advanced normal is set on. And B is also correct. The text will be surrounded by a non-hatched area only if advanced outer is set on. Question number 1 from chapter 9. Which of the following is correct? When the block has been constructed and saved, the file data is saved as a part of the file in which the block was constructed. Right answer. Question number 3. Which of the following is correct? When a block has been constructed and saved, the file data is saved and as a separate file from the drawing in which the block was constructed. When a block has been constructed and saved, the file data is saved as new file. Designing center is a palette. Which of the following statement is correct? The purge tool can be used to delete unwanted details from the drawing. Section 10, question number 1. When copying a drawing constructed in AutoCAD 2007 using copy command from the edit drop down menu, the drawing can be pasted into the command documents being worked. In the other application, the method of copying can be pasting made of what? The option the drawing is transferred via clipboard. Guys, this is I faced this question many times, but before fortunately this question was known to me. I work in AutoCAD, I have experience. I answered this correctly, but this is a very important question, guys. Next question, when a drawing is saved as an EPS file, an EPS file is inserted in the document being worked in another application, changes made in the AutoCAD drawing will automatically be updated to change in drawing in the other application. Right answer. Number 3, the reason for the saving the AutoCAD drawing as a DXF file is the DXF file can also open in any other computer aided design CAD application. Question number 4, an external reference can be described as a big or difficult to block in that changes in an original external reference as reflected in the drawing in which the XREF is inserted. Which file will following the file name, extension or raster file? BMP TIF is the right answer, and GPG E and PCX. Right answer is ACEG. Chapter 11, question number 1. An AutoCAD sheet is a number of the AutoCAD drawings saved in the paper space format and held in a file. Drawing for a sheet must be saved in the paper space format. Right answer. DFT is an abbreviation for the file extension. That abbreviation stands for DFT is design web format. DFT is design web format. Most important question. DFT file can include an attachment in an email. Is statement is true. Chapter 13, the region tool can be called by entering the following abbreviation on command line when using the dynamic input REG. Which of the following modified tool can be used when the construction 3D solid model drawing? Move, copy, chamfer, fillet, mirror, rotate, scale. Any of the them means option B, A, any of them. Right answer. Why is the name Boolean operators given to the tool union subcontract and interact? Right answer is it is based on the name of the scientist George Boole. It is possible from union between the solids constructed using the extrude tool and solid formed using the 3D object tool. No. Answer is no. Guys, chapter number 14, question number 1. When the constructed 3D model drawing in a multiple viewport, the set variable UC is followed must be set to off. When constructing 3D model drawing in the multiple viewport, it is It does not matter whether the UCS icon are showing in the viewport or not. Option B is correct. When constructing 3D model drawing multiple viewports, each viewport is set to different viewport when a multiple viewport is absent from the viewport dialog. Next section, it is possible to construct a polar array from 3D solid model drawing using the array tool from the modify toolbar. Yes, the answer is yes, B option. From which of the following toolbar can be mass properties toolbar called in query? The purpose of the viewport preset dialog is to set a 3D solid model drawing in any of the viewport viewing position. The slice tool is used for the slicing 3D solids into as many parts are required. Right answer. When using the section tools on a 3D solid model drawing, only sectional view outline formed. Before viewing the positions can be set from the viewport preset dialog. The set variable uses follow must be first to be set. It does not matter whether it is set or off. Right answer. It is possible to mirror a 3D solid model drawing using the mirror tool from the modify toolbar. Yes. Next section, can ambient lighting be set at a figure before rendering a 3D model? No. When setting a lighting before rendering a 3D model, distance light can be described as a light, the value of which diminishes in intensity that further the light position is set from the 3D model. Right answer. Which in your opinion gives the best rendering result? Presentation. When printing or plotting a 3D model, which of the following statement is correct? A conceptual shaded 3D model in a single viewport can be plotted in a full color. A 4 viewport screen of the rendered 3D model in a model space can be plotted in a full color. 4 viewport screen of a realistic shaded 3D model in the model space can be plotted in a full color. The terms UCS stands for user coordinate system, is the full form of UCS. Before the UCS system can be used, the set variable UC for UCS follow must be set to 1. Before the UCS system can be used, the UCS icon need to appear anywhere on the screen. The term UCS world applied to the standard XY plane which appears when the AutoCAD is loaded on a screen. A 2D outline constructed using the line and circle tools can be extruded from the 3D model. Answer is no, only if is a first made into the region. Either if it is first made into the region or if it is outlined in the edited form A closed polyline. When constructing 3D the surface model and about Boolean operator union, subcontract and intersect cannot be used from single 3D surface model. The set variable for setting the density of the surface meshes 3D surface model or as surf tab. Right answer. 3D model can be formed from the mixture of 3D solid and 3D surfaces. Set true. 3D surface model can be rendered. Yes, true. A surface formed by using the roll surf tool requires two outlines. When selecting the extrude tools, the following abbreviation can be inserted at the command line: EXT. When a selected face of 3D solid when drawing is selected by the move face tool from the solid editing tool, the face is moved in such a manner that the body of the 3D solid to which the face is attached is extruded. Next question. It is possible to use extruded face. Next question. If it is possible to use the extruded faces tool from the solid editing toolbar on a origin constructed from the closed polyline. No, a region for any type cannot be acted upon by this tool. The Boolean operators unions subtract the intersect tools are found in the toolbar. Yeah, solid editing. This solid editing. The solve proof tool is used for the following purposes: to produce an outline only drawing from 3D solid model drawing. A polygonal view can be constructed in a model space viewport. This is not true. A polygonal view can be constructed in the paper space viewport. Question number 3. A drawing can only be printed or plotted from a paper space drawing. The right answer is drawing can be printed or plotted by either model space or a paper space. A file name that following extension should be raster file. BMP is a raster file. BMP is raster file. When a topographic has been inserted in an AutoCAD drawing or a screen, when the drawing is printed or plotted, the photograph does not print or plot with the drawing. This is not true. The photograph will print or plot along with the drawing. Right answer. Guys, the next and very important part of AutoCAD questions: computer aided drafting and design means CAD system can be used for the development of architectural engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering and surveying, landscape architecture, environmental structural engineering, utility and infrastructure engineering, manufacturing, all of the above. This is the application of AutoCAD, guys. Very important question. Guys, question number 2. Along with a solid knowledge of AutoCAD, it is helpful to have our working understanding of the following softwares: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, all of the above. Question number 3. A user can be adjusted the drawing limits. Right answer: command to control the size of drawing area. Question number 4. A command prompt can be associated to the cursor rather than a fixed location. This is called as dynamic input. Command aliases or an alternate method of launching command most or 1 to 3 key strokes followed by an enter key. Right answer. By ruling the wheel, you will be performing a zoom command which changes the magnification of the drawing. Very important question, guys. Typically below the drawing or here there is an area known as command line interface. Important question, guys. Question number 8. Model space is a world that the drawing design is created in, while layout space is used for all of the above. Controlling the view of a drawing or design for the production printed pages, paper space layout. Next question, guys. You have two basic options to launch the AutoCAD program and start a drawing session. You can start AutoCAD from the desktop or traditional program menu. Question number 10. Creating a drawing you would be an example of civil engineering drawing. Creating a roadway comes under civil engineering. These are some true false question. Learning only AutoCAD is desirable instead of adding Words, PowerPoints and Excel to your learning experience. This is a false. CAD system are being used only for architectural. No, not for architecture only. First question we've seen for lots of engineering branches it's used. This is false. Answer is false. The menu bar contains the pull down menu for the programs. Each word is similar to a file folder for a series of commands that are common to be each other. This is true answer. AutoCAD dialog boxes or floating window that will appear on the screen. It's true. Toolbar or series of pictures known as icon, arranged where each icon is directly related to an AutoCAD command. It's true. It's true. Question number 6. The USS icon command gives an information related to the screen limit. This is false. The command line is much like a toolbar. This is true. Guys, next question. The bottom area of the AutoCAD interface is pull down menu. They are located under the command line window. This is false. Dynamic input allows the user to have a command line follow where their cursor goes. This is true. Using the F6 key, we can toggle on or off the auto function. This is false. Guys, these are some descriptive questions on AutoCAD. Briefing describe that the industrial or commercial application of AutoCAD can be used for. Guys, this is the usage of the AutoCAD or application of the AutoCAD in industry. The students should provide a brief description of architectural, mechanical, civil engineering, and other general design application. The right answer. What is the triangle arrow shape on the right side of a pull down menu for? The triangle or arrow leads the additional command option for the categories. The right answer. These are the descriptive question types. What is the dialog box used for? Dialog box allows users to randomly input the various information related to the chosen command. Next question, clicking on the toolbar icon, you will execute AutoCAD command. Describe the other method of executing AutoCAD command. The descriptive question answer is the students should describe using the pull down menu, command line, and the command alias. Click on a toolbar icon, you will execute AutoCAD command. Describe the method executing AutoCAD command. Using the pull down menu, command line, the command line is the question number 5. Describe the function of the specialty keys. Using the control keys. Question number 6. If you need help or further information when using the AutoCAD interface, then the helpful option you have. What is that? Using F1 key or selecting the help pull down menu option, you will start the help. F1 is the help key, guys, in short. Question number 7. Describe the function of the model and the layout tabs on the bottom of the AutoCAD user interface screen. The function of the model space, which is to create an edit drawing directly, and paper space, layout space, which is to adjust the layout window for the printing and plotting. This is the right descriptive answer. What is the offset? What is the effect of using the center mouse wheel on the 2 or 3 button mouse? Dynamic zoom effect will be dynamic zoom effect. Guys, these are the end of the descriptive question. Guys, these are the very challenging questions. I'm sure that none of the question will left regarding AutoCAD exam interview question. Guys, I'm happy to you watched all videos till the ends. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it helpful, please thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, share, comments. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.